Hi, this is Nikki, and I've got the homework presentation for this week. This week we are working on some financial statements. So just to save time, I've already input everything in, but I'll go through and explain. So the first thing we do is put the date, and this one was the month ending on the 31st of December. And then we're going to have revenues. This is the income statement. So we're going to have revenues. And the only revenue up here is the consulting revenue right there. So we put that in right here. So revenue there, the amount goes here. Then down here we've got expenses. And the expenses we had were rent, salary, telephone, and miscellaneous that we could find right in here. And I put the amounts down there. And then the difference is our income. And this time it's positive because we had more revenues than we did expenses. So that came to 10,760. And that was it for that problem. Number 12 is the statement of retained earnings. So we put the date in, we add our net income right here, and then that was the number we had from the first page, the 10,760. And then we take out the dividends, which are right up here. And the number that we have is our retained earnings, which was 4,850. And then our next sheet is going to be the balance sheet. So we have assets, liabilities, and equity. Under assets, we've got cash, the accounts receivable, office supplies, equipment, and the land. Under liabilities, we've got accounts payable, and then under equity is the common stock, and then our retained earnings from the previous sheet. So the cash right there, 25,270. Accounts receivable was 22,280. Office supplies, 5,150. The equipment, 19,910. Land was 43,940. And then we've got our accounts payable, which was over here, 10,700. And then the common stock, that was 101,000. And then our retained earnings from the previous, which was 4,850. So then we've got total assets of 116,550 and total liabilities and equity of 116,550. Both sides equal, so we know that we did it correctly. And that is it. Pretty straightforward. Thanks.